How to block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend. So, if you want to block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend, then first you need to open up your Monopoly Go application. You can simply install the application at first if you have not installed it. Open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for Monopoly Go. And here you will have your application. So, you need to simply install this application. Once you've installed, tap on play, which will be on the right side, and open up the application. And here on the bottom right, you will have friends option, right? Tap on friends, and under your friends, if you have your friend requests or if you have your friends, then what you can do is if you want to block someone on your Monopoly Go that's not your friend, then you can simply tap on that request or tap on that person, and you will have a block option. Tap on the block and the person will be blocked. So for now, I don't have any friends or I don't have any friend request. But if you have any one of them, then simply tap on their profile and then you will have block option. You need to simply tap on block and they will be blocked. So that's how you can block someone on Monopoly Go that's not your friend. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.